Look, he opened him. Comment, like, subscribe, share, guys. Rugged Films. The ravens, the crows. They went to the nest and they ate the babies.
Can I touch him, Dad?
Check him out. No, you cannot touch him.
Why?
I feel bad for him. He's dying. Comment, like, subscribe, share, guys. Give me a thumbs up for making this kind of content, guys. Look, he's alive, guys. He's in pain. Look, we're watching him take his last breath. He fell from the sky. The crow was trying to eat him and the other one. He got to take the other one, but I chased him off for this one. I'm sure I probably can't do anything for him. He's so cute. God bless him. I gotta find out what to do with him now. Comment, like, subscribe, share, guys. Stay tuned for more Rugged Films. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Rest in peace, little buddy.
That was his last breath, look.
All right there. Stay tuned for more, guys.